we are at the famous underground tunnels. Stay tuned, see what we're going to see on this one. Bit noisy for you everyone, so see you inside shortly. Right, ladies and gents, we're in the bunkers anyway. Quite a big place. Tiny little hole to get in. Looks like a big place though. So, stay tuned. See what we're going to see in this one. Quite a big place, ladies and gents. This goes on that way, all the way down that way. Such a vast place. Just wait for everybody else to get in, but we have a little walk around. It's going to be a tight squeeze. This little pathways going everywhere. It's going to be a quick one, I think. This is people. Oh, it's just going to be a load of the same stuff. So if I do see anything, I'll let you all know. Look at that though. Little length of that corridor. I think the beds or shelves, aren't sure. But you literally go all the way down there, right to the very end. So, got to walk up here, see where this goes. All graffiti here. Quite surprised how big this place is, people. Quite a few people have been in here by now, but I had to come and have a look. Get myself a little video in the bag. You know how we do. Everyone's got their own subscribers, aren't they, these days? So, each to their own, I say. Very good place. Shout out Urban Legend UK. Much appreciated, mate. All these beds all the way down the corridor. I think that's just going to be a common thing in this place, ladies and gents. Seeing these beds. Quite a nice little bunker though. Huge. Here's the shot I came for here. The one I want. Stairway to heaven. Yeah, people. That was a staircase anyway. Absolutely lovely. Beds and beds left everywhere. Couldn't imagine there's people full of people all back in the day. All bombs dropping. Scary. Must have been made of strong stuff, them people back in them days. A little walk to the end of this tunnel. See where it goes, if it goes anywhere. I don't think it does. Another one going downhill. That one's blocked off that way. Have a little wander down this little hill. T420 Tom there at the bottom. Hello mate. Getting these bunkers done. Definitely worth a visit if anyone wants to come. Ooh, trip you up on a pipe. Landing from my torch. Hello, mate.
Goes down 9 turns. Again.
On your way. Yeah. Wonder what was behind there once, ladies and gents. I'd love to know. Getting a bit muddy and wet down this part now. Little hole here going somewhere. Like all the drains have fell through. Drains have collapsed. All leaking in. That's the end, people, anyway. Breeze blocked up with bricks. There's no way through there. And you've got this little room here, which is a very strange room. Don't know what it's for. Just a concrete room. No idea. If anyone knows, let me know in the comments. Just sorting my torch out, people. It's getting a bit hot in my hand. Little toilet block. No toilets left behind. All just rotted away and been taken. Whatever happened to them. Back out through here. That's the toilet anyway, people. Nip back through here. Go back to where we were. Nip back through here again. All the metal bins and stuff left behind. So that's the toilets anyway. For all these people sleeping on these beds back in the day. If it was ever used. Another toilet here. Little quick shot for you. That's about it, ladies and gents. The old toilets. Keep having a wander around so that we can see. Yeah, people, so almost done now. Making our way back out. Not a bad little explore. Definitely worth a look if anyone's in the area. Good old Manchester. Bunkers. Tom there getting the shots. Slowly working our way out then, ladies and gents. The mould in this room here, this tunnel. That's what you call mouldy. Absolutely grim. Don't know what it is on the walls. Very strange, whatever it is. Or calcite or something maybe, I don't know. Who knows? So that was the room of mould. What a state it is as well at that. So, make my way out through here, people. See what we can see. Absolute mess. All left behind. Crazy stuff. So that was that one anyway, people. Been a good little explore. Definitely worth a look. Make my way out anyway. Back out through this massive hole in the wall. Right then, people. So that was that one anyway. Hope you liked it. I'll end it here because it's that noisy outside because the motorway. So join you all again soon, people. See you all soon. Peace. Right, people, it's the end of that one. Hope you liked it. See you all soon. Bye bye.